Hello everyone, I'm Vanila and I welcome you to see a new video with me with a remake by using the same baby doll that I've used a couple of years ago, which was a very popular video, and I decided today is the day when I will feel myself again with this baby doll outfit. So please don't forget to subscribe and like my videos, and please leave positive comments, and see you having fun. I hope you like my heels in this video. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave comments below.